bells, it's Melissa Danielle. Thanks for tuning in. Have you subscribed? It's free. Right down there. Today I'm bringing you guys a Valentine's Day themed video. This is in collaboration with SHEIN. All my opinions will be my honest, true opinions based off my experience with the items I'm going to be showing you guys. And everything will be linked down below beneath this video in the description bar. And you can save 15% off your purchase with my discount code. It's BlackCB15. And that will also be down below in the description bar. So guys, SHEIN will be like a one-stop shop for like all your trendy Valentine's Day things. Whether you want to get gifts for your lover, gifts for yourself, or if you want to get clothing, purses, accessories. They have like all kind of different heart-shaped items, different like floral or heart-themed clothing. They got pajamas. It took everything in me not to do a Valentine's Day pajama haul. I was going to do it. I was this close. But they have a little bit of everything. So whether you want to get a gift or get you an outfit for Valentine's Day, go shop on SHEIN. So yeah, we're going to jump right into this video because I want to try everything on. I haven't tried anything on yet, well, except for this dress. So I'm excited to see what these pieces is going to be doing. Everything is right out the box, so some of it may be a little bit wrinkled. But you know, this is like a true unboxing, like everything out the box. So like, let's jump into it. Starting off with this wonderful dress. When I opened the box up and I saw this dress, my jaw hit the floor. It's stretchy, thicker than like the slinky polyester kind of material. It has like a nice knitted feel to it, like a woven feel to it. Hopefully you guys can see the material. It is just sexy. It is cute. It is form hugging. I like the little heart shaped neckline and the little poof on the shoulders. And like I said, it's stretchy, so it's comfortable and it's breathable, so it's gonna move with you all night long. You ain't gotta feel uncomfortable. I got the size 2X. I wear a size 1X/16. I got a size 2X and it fits perfect. Okay, so next we're going to get into these two pieces. I have this sequin skirt. I thought it would be really fun and poppy and bright and colorful for Valentine's Day. And then I got this shirt. I mean, like, it speaks for itself. Like, we can already see why I got this shirt, because it's sexy, it's cute. It is giving me corset, but it's not the bony and structure. It's just stretchy and comfortable. Size 2X for the shirt, size 2X for the skirt. Anyways, this is a shirt. I have a bra on underneath it. You can see it right here. This shirt is see-through. Like, this whole bottom part is sheer. But I'm wearing a black bra underneath here. I love this shirt. It's going to look good with so many different things. Not only with skirts, but with pants. I have a pair of pants I'm going to try on with this shirt in just a second. Anyways, this skirt is stretchy. Like I said, there's no band in here. It's a very thin band. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not the regular band you would have in a skirt. It's just like almost all one material, but there's like a little bit of elastic in the band. The skirt is stretchy all up and down, like it's stretchy throughout. It does zip in the back, but I was able to just step into it and pull it up. Is that kind of stretchy, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, it zips up in the back. I also got these pants here. They're a size 2X. I should have got a 1X. I think with this and the sequin skirt, I should have got a 1X because they're feeling a little loosey. I can fit skin tight. But they are freaking sexy. I thought there were more pants, but these are like more leggings. Very stretchy, like, you know, polyester blend. But this little paneling here I thought was really freaking cute. The sheer on sheer, I thought it was really cute. But these are more leggings than they are pants, so keep that in mind. They're very stretchy and comfortable, but not what I was going for per se, but they're still cute. I don't know what this is, but so this is a black satin dress. It is non-stretchy. It fits great like down here, but the boobs, I need a little bit more room because it's a little tight up here. A little tight. However, the dress is so sexy, you guys. So cute. You can see for yourself. It is so cute. It has like this little wrap detailing on the side. It comes in different colors as well. Spaghetti strap. This is my bra strap. But it has spaghetti straps. Very dainty, feminine, and sexy. We love that. I thought it was like a cute little simple black dress for the holidays. So cute. Slinky with some slinky heels. It's a look. Are we seeing this? How adorable. Okay, let's get into this. So this dress, this is like the first, I think it's the only item I got in this haul that's a size 3X. I don't know if I read the reviews and it was told to size up. I can't remember, but I just knew to get a 3X. And I'm glad I did because it fits perfectly. I think if I would have got a size smaller, it would not have fit. I love her. This is something I would definitely wear on Valentine's Day, probably with my pink heels, because I could be so like girly sometimes. Like I like my sexy stuff, but I like my girly stuff too. You know what I'm saying? Like, and this is just hitting all those spots. It is just so freaking cute. Can't wait to wear her. I just cannot wait to wear her. She is just so adorable, like a dollhouse dress. Like, she fits great. I love all this ruffled detailing. She's not stretchy, so don't have that expectation. Just size up and you're gonna be fine. I love it. I love it. Okay, let me go change. I still have so much stuff to show you guys, so I'll be right back. Okay, next we have this shirt and skirt combination. These are sold separately. I just put them together. So it's like a black shirt, stretchy material. It's ribbed in the front. It's like a sheer netted material on the arms with little heart details all over it. And it has that same ribbed material on the cuff. And then the skirt I thought was so sexy. I was thinking about wearing like some patent black leather boots with this. But it is like a fringe skirt. So like it has that little, a slit, a cut on the side, whatever. And then it has the little fringe detailing. It's a sweater material. You can definitely rotate this more and have it, yeah, more like that. Anyways, I thought it was really cute. I probably would put like a belt with this to just add a little bit more pop to it. And then probably some chunkier earrings. Like I said, my patent leather boots. I think it would be really sexy. But the skirt is really stretchy, size 2X. Size 2X in my shirt. Everything fits perfectly. This is just, I love this skirt. Like, the shirt is cute too, but the skirt, she is speaking to me, and I want her in black. I don't know if she comes in black, but I want her in black. I'm back with this skirt. When I saw it, I knew I wanted it. I'm glad I got it. I wanted it originally to go with this floral bodysuit, but I guess it sold out. But it was a floral bodysuit. I wanted to pair it with this skirt. It was giving me like 90s vibes, but like sexy 90s vibes, because it was a sheer floral bodysuit. But yeah, there's still a ton of different other floral bodysuits on the website, so don't get freaked out if you do want to capture the vibe I was going for. So yeah, this is the skirt. It's stretch denim. As you guys can see, it's like an acid wash black. It has pockets in the front. It has pockets in the butt as well. And then there is a slit on the front. And then it has like a raw hem on the bottom. So like as you wear it and wash it and everything, it'll probably get a little bit more frayed looking, which would be really freaking cute. I'm going to go change. Okay, Belle. So this is the next dress. Absolutely stunning. It's satin material, but it's stretchy. It's so comfortable. I've been in my room like just playing around in it for a while now. It is so pretty, but it's also sexy because like they give you this big split in the leg here. The back of it is exposed, and you guys know how I'm at my back. I don't know how I always get caught up with these satin dresses, and I end up putting it in my cart, even though I know I'll let my back out. But you guys can sort of see it's backless. I'm wearing my bra. Well, one strap is tucked down. Let me cover that strap back up. It is a gorgeous dress, and I think it comes in different colors. If I'm correct, I'm pretty sure it comes in different colors as well. And then for this dress, I got a size 2X, and it fits great. The material is just so soft and so comfortable, and I just want to wear it around the house now. Like, it's that comfortable. Actually, I might do that. But anyways, it's that comfortable. It is so beautiful and flowy and romantic, and it's this nice shade of like dusty rose with just a gentle sheen on the material. This is straight out the package, so of course it's a little bit wrinkled, but you can steam it and be good to go. I just think it is so absolutely gorgeous, and it screams Valentine's Day. Yeah, that's this piece. I'll be back. So girls, next I have on this outfit here. I didn't know what to wear with these pants, but I saw this shirt. I thought it would be a good look. I don't know how I feel about the look per se just yet. I like it. I don't know if I love it, but I do love the pieces individually. This is a metallic shimmery pink shirt. It's like a more mauve, like darker pink tone. This is how the cuffs look. There's no button or anything here, so they just open and thought it was really cute. This is giving me like 70s vibes in a way. But I thought this shirt would go good with these pants too, because the pants are sheer. Like all the way up and through, they are sheer. So you're going to be able to see everything. So like if you're not wearing some type of outfit that covers up underneath, it's going to be booty cheeks to the wind. Anyways, but so the shirt is a size 2X. The pants are a size 2X. Very, very stretchy and comfortable. I love the flare on the bottom of these pants. I don't know how I'm going to be styling these pants, but I plan on wearing them out because I think they are so cute. The flare is perfect. The length is perfect. They're not dragging the floor. They're just gently caressing the floor. And I'm not even wearing any shoes yet. But I love them. And then they have like, hopefully my camera's picking it up, but it have like dark outlined hearts all over the pants. Oh my God. These would be good too for like a swimsuit cover up. Oh. And they're very stretchy, you guys. So that makes me very happy, so I can be bending and moving as I please. This shirt is stretchy as well. Well, you guys can see it sort of swoops on the side. Really stinking cute. If it's not fun, this is a fun Valentine's Day outfit. I have one more thing to show you guys. We'll put that thing on. I'll be right back. So this is the last item in this haul. I have this lilac colored satin dress. One sleeve. This is like off the shoulder. My bra is right here. So, but you can wear a strapless bra, of course, with these kind of dresses. It has a cutout on the side here. It is, where is it? It's a zipper on here. I'm trying to remember where the zipper is at. There's a zipper on this dress somewhere. I can't remember where, but there's a zipper on this dress. It has like this slash in the front, which do want to be mindful of some slippage. You might want to pin it so that you're comfortable, especially if you're going somewhere where you're going to be dancing, because however, if you don't mind, you know, you're all good. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really surprised this came from SHEIN. This is more luxe, like, I don't know how to describe it. I just, when I expect SHEIN to sell something like this, but they are really up in their game. They have a lot of beautiful dresses. And it's so soft. I don't know what kind of satin they're using, but girl, it is soft. It's like butter. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and comment, and I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye, bye.